Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bully. Today I am going to show you guys how to back up your online store using a free WordPress plugin that is called BackupGuard. Alright, with that being said, let's jump right in. Do you know why it's important to back up your website? Let me give you a few examples. Let's say one day I update my website and unintentionally delete a page of the website. Worst of all, I have no idea what comes to my mind. I also go further to the trash section to empty everything. Right after I click the button, I just realized that, oh, I just deleted that page. It's gone forever. Oops. Another example is that I just manually or auto update a plugin and it's not compatible with some other plugins. After it's done updating it, my website just crashes just like that. In this case, I could restore my website using a backup file that was backed up yesterday or other days without any issues. That's why it's important to have a scheduled backup system in place for your website. Alright, we're gonna go through 2 easy steps on how to back up your WordPress website using the BackupGuard plugin. First, let's install the plugin. Alright, let's go to our demo store. Go to plugins. Scroll up, click add new. Go to the search box, type BackupGuard. That's the plugin we're gonna install. There are so many active installations. Click the install now button. Click the activate button. Once done, you should be able to see the plugin in the plugins main page. Let's scroll down a little bit. Go to the left panel to click BackupGuard menu. Click the X icon to close out the newsletter box. Step number 2, configure the plugin. The first tab is for backups. Let's close out the blue box up there. We are going to come back to this section after we go over all the settings. The next tab is Cloud. You can back up your files to your Dropbox account right here. Just click on the box to turn it on and you have to sign in to your account right here. In this video, I am not going to go over the Dropbox account. We will back up our files to our local computer for testing. If you want to connect to your Dropbox account, just do so here. Let's turn it off for now. The next tab is Schedule. You could have only one backup profile in the free version. If you want more, you need to upgrade. Click the button on the right to turn it on. Enter a name of your backup name. Let's go with Daily Backup. You could enter whatever you want right there. Let's select day. And they have a couple options right here. If you click the custom backup, they have backup database, backup all the files. But in this case, we need to select full backup. And if you want to upload to cloud to your Dropbox account, you need to select it right here. My Dropbox connection option is not active right now because I didn't enable it in the previous section. Let's uncheck this option for now. But if you are going to back up your files in your Dropbox account, you need to keep that selected. Once everything looks good, just click the Save button. The next tab is Settings. You could change your time zone right here. My time zone is Eastern Standard Time. And keep the rest of the settings the same. But first off, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads about e-commerce web designs from me. Scroll down to the bottom to see the default path where the plugin will store your scheduled backup files at. Make sure you clean up the newly created directory called My Daily Backup or whatever you entered in the schedule backup section previously monthly. Otherwise, the backup files can become large and will slow down your website over time. Once everything looks good, just click the Save button at the bottom. The next tab is System Info. Right here, you could see all the information about your web hosting, where you host your website files, and all the database files. You don't have to worry about this part or this section at all. The next tab is Video Tutorials from the plugin. They have their video tutorials on YouTube that you could check it out if you want to. The next tab is for support. You will go to another WordPress.org support website for that plugin specifically. Let's go back to our demo store. The next one is Why Upgrade. You will be able to see all the packages that they have right here. For the free version, we won't be to do any migration. And we have only one scheduled backup profile only. But if you pay for the silver, you will get more. You could go through all the packages if you are interested. And that's pretty much it for the basic settings. Let's go back to the backup section right here. This is the backup section. So we are going to do a full backup manually. Click the backup button. Enter a custom backup name. Whatever you want. There's no restriction of the format of the name. There are a few options right here, including the custom backup, that you could back up only the database files and some files. But let's select the full backup for this tutorial. You could upload to cloud. Don't forget to check that option if you want to. Once everything looks good, just click backup. It shouldn't take that long. I got a warning on my first try. It should be a green success status. That means this backup file is not good. I need to clean up my demo store real quick before I try another backup. Click the download icon on the right. You'll see two options. Click the second option. That is backup log. To download a log to review the issues. Alright, I fixed my issues now. My second backup is successful. As you could see, the green text as success. That means the backup file is good to use. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful somehow so you can help other people to find my content too. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you! Alright, let's go break something so we could find a good reason to restore the demo store here. Let's delete the contact page. Let's pretend I have no idea what I'm doing and let's go to the trash section to empty the trash so the contact page will be gone for good. Now the file is gone. Let's go to the front end to see if we will be able to see the contact page on the demo store. Let's scroll down to the bottom to find the contact us page. It's right there. Let's click it. There you go. We got 404 page not found code. That means it is really gone. That means I really messed up my demo store. Alright, let's go back to the BackupGuard menu. Click the restore icon on the right. Make sure full restore is selected and then click restore. Wait for a little bit. It should take about less than 14 seconds. Mostly if your site is not that big. Don't refresh the browser right here. Just let it run. Now, there you go. My site is fully restored to the previous version. Let's go to pages to check on the contact page. There you go. It's back now. Let's go to the front end to check again if it's gonna be there. There you go. It's there. But what about if I update a plugin, but there's a conflict with other plugins and I just crash my site? How can we restore the crashed site using the BackupGuard plugin? Here's how to do it. Log into your web hosting account. In this case, I am using SiteGround. Click Websites on the top. Click the Site Tools button of the website you want to restore. It should be on your right side. Click Site on the left panel and then click File Manager. Click the directory called public_HTML in the center section. We need to reinstall a fresh copy of WordPress, so we need to delete all the files and folders within this directory. Click the first file and hold down Shift to select all and click the last file, and then click the trash can icon on top. Click Confirm to delete all. There you go, the folder is empty now. Next, click MySQL on the left panel and go to the database. Click the dotted line down there to delete the database. Click Confirm. Now the database is deleted. Click WordPress on the left panel. Then click Install and Manage. Select WordPress and WooCommerce, or the other one if your store is not e-commerce. Scroll down a little bit. By the way, if you want to support my channel, I add all the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, let's get back to the video. We need to create credentials for an admin user, such as username, email address, and password. Once everything looks good, just click the install button below. There you go! A fresh copy of WordPress is installed successfully on my demo store now. Click the admin panel button to go to the store. Click Exit. We don't need this extra plugin from SiteGround. And let's skip Setup Store Details for the WooCommerce. And click No Thanks. Click the X icon to close the box. Let's go to the plugins on the left panel. Click Add New. Type BackupGuard. Click the search button. Click Install. Click the Activate button. Hover over plugins to select Install Plugins to check if the BackupGuard plugin is installed, or you could see the BackupGuard menu on the left panel. Then click the BackupGuard menu on the left panel. Close out this box if you don't want to give your information to the plugin company. Click the Import button. Click Next. And then click Browse. Select your backup file wherever that is on your local computer and click Open. and click Import. There you go. The backup file is imported successfully now. By the way, let me know your thoughts about using this plugin as your backup system, and you would love to share them with our community in the comments below. I would love to hear them. Click the restore icon on the right. Make sure the full restore is selected, and then click restore. Uh-oh, my backup file URL format doesn't match the current URL of the demo store. The plugin wants you to upgrade to a paid version because the issue is a migration to them. My backup file just has www, but the current URL doesn't have it. It doesn't matter what URL format you want to have. It can be either one of them. So here's a quick trick that you could do. Go to Settings. Click Settings. Right here, we will add S after P and www dot in front of the website name, as you can see on the screen right here, in those boxes. Once everything looks good, scroll down to click the Save Changes button. Then you need to log back into your website or online store. Enter your credentials here and click Log In. Then click the website name in the URL box on top to see if it has www. You could see the padlock icon. That means we installed the SSL certificate on our website. Click BackupGuard again. And now click the restore icon right there. Click restore. It shouldn't take that long. There you go. It's working. Let's go to the pages to check if the contact page is there or is restored. There you go. I could see the contact us page now. Let's go to the front end to refresh the website. There you go. My contact page is back. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce web designs using WordPress tutorials and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.